If you are interested in the new Palmera at Wellen Park community and wondering about the different builders here, then stay tuned, because in this video, I'm giving you a full breakdown of David Weekley Homes in Palmera. I've already helped multiple families find and build homes in Palmera, including the very first residence in the entire community, which was a David Weekley home. And I was able to help another family this week snag a great deal on the David Weekley quick move-in home here in Palmera. I'll give you some background on this builder and go into detail about each of their floor plans they are currently offering in Palmera at Wellen Park, including their brand new Executive Series homes that are just now being released. I'll also share the current building time frame for new homes and updated pricing. And I'll highlight which floor plans are being offered as quick move-in homes right now and tell you all of the current deals and incentives they're offering. So stay tuned for all the details. I'm Josh from That Florida Life, helping you live that Florida lifestyle you've been dreaming about. As the top relocation and new construction realtor for buyers in the Venice, Florida and Wellen Park area, I've helped hundreds of families from all across the country find and build their dream homes here in the area. And I've already helped multiple families in the new Palmera community purchase and build their homes. My goal is to provide you with the best and most enjoyable home buying experience. Just as a reminder, I do not work for the builder. I represent you, the buyer, to ensure the builder is keeping your best interests in mind. Currently, the builders in Palmera at Wellen Park are offering to cover buyer agent compensation. What does that mean? That means I can represent you as your agent without any extra coming out of your pocket. I'm here to guide you every step of the way, from finding the right community and the right home to negotiating the deal, inspections, orientations, and final walkthroughs. So don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions at all, or if you just want to talk a bit more about what you're looking for in your dream Florida home. Call, text, or email me anytime. And if you're planning a visit to town, let me know in advance so I can make sure to schedule time to show you and your family around. Lastly, if you haven't already, be sure to download a free copy of our Wellen Park relocation guide for more information all about the area, the different communities, the builders, amenities, and price points. Wellen Park is one of the hottest master plan communities in the entire country. Located in Southwest Florida near the towns of Sarasota and Venice, it offers luxurious resort-style living nestled among nature, only minutes from some of the best Gulf Coast beaches. Palmera is one of the newer Wellen Park communities that recently began construction. This is a large community with homes featuring serene views of lakes and preserve. This is a gated community with amenities that allow residents to feel like they're on vacation every day of the year. The amenities are set to open in the next couple of months and will include a large clubhouse, swimming pool, fitness center with classes, splash pad for the kiddos, sports courts such as pickleball, and even a golf simulator. There will also be a lifestyle director on site who plans regular events and activities, as well as a restaurant on site. So you don't even have to leave to grab a bite to eat or an evening happy hour drink. For more details, be sure to watch our full Palmera at Wellen Park community overview video. There are 6 different builders in Palmera at Wellen Park, each offering their own types of homes and various price points. Today, we're going to give you a complete builder breakdown on David Weekley, a trusted home builder in the area, and we'll show you what they are offering in Palmera at Wellen Park. But if you want to know more about the other builders in Palmera and compare what they are offering, then check out our other video breakdowns that we have done on the other builders in Palmera at Wellen Park as well. Okay, so let's dive in. David Weekley Homes was founded in 1976 and has grown to become one of the largest privately owned home builders in America, earning hundreds of awards and building homes all across the country. But what really sets them apart is their commitment to quality, innovation, and the customer experience by putting the buyer at the heart of every decision. This focus has helped them build a great reputation in the industry. I've helped multiple families buy and build David Weekley homes in the Palmera community, so I'm more than familiar with their process and have great relationships with their teams. So when you walk in with me, you're not seen as a stranger coming in off the street, and they'll know to take good care of you. David Weekley is currently offering 8 different floor plans to choose from, including their newly released executive series with some even larger home floor plan options. While you can select your lot and build from scratch, you will also find some of these homes offered as a quick move-in home. Quick move-in homes are homes that are either finished already or under construction and will be finished soon. For more details about quick move-in homes and the pros and cons, be sure to watch our in-depth video here on our channel all about quick move-in homes. Now let's go over the David Weekley floor plans that they are currently offering in Palmera at Wellen Park. The Fishback. The Fishback is a 1-story home with 3 to 4 bedrooms and 2 to 3 bathrooms, as well as a half bath and a 3-car garage. This home has around 2,300 square feet, give or take, depending on some of the options you can select. Base price for this home is starting at around $640,000. That's for the model. Then you add the price of the lot, your structural options, and your design options. That's how you come up with your final move-in price. Next is the Borelli. The Borelli is a 1-story single-family home with 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a 2 to 3 car garage, right around 2,500 square feet. Base price for this home starts at around $675,000. Then you will add your lot, your structural options, and then your design options for your final price. The Wagner. The Wagner is another single-story home with 4 bedrooms, 3 to 4 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. The square foot range is around 2,700, can go all the way up to 3,300 square feet, depending on all the options that you select. Base price for this home is starting at just under $700,000. The Ruby Tail. The Ruby Tail is a popular floor plan and is actually the model home here in Palmera. It features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, as well as a half bath and a 2 to 3 car garage. Square foot ranges from 2,800 square feet, can go all the way up to 2,900 square feet. The Ruby Tail starts at a base price of around $725,000 and goes up from there. The Bonham. The Bonham is a single-story 4-bedroom home with 3 to 4 bathrooms, as well as a half bath and a 3-car garage. This home can range from 2,800 square feet all the way up to 3,500 square feet, just depending on your structural options that you select. The base price for this model starts at around $730,000 and then goes up from there. Next up is the Colston. The Colston is one of the larger floor plans in this series with David Weekley. These homes can range anywhere between 3,000 square feet all the way up to 3,600 square feet. Again, just all depending on your structural options that you select. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 to 4 bathrooms, and features a large tandem 4-car garage, which is a fantastic feature that is super rare in this area and in this community. The base price for this model starts at around $740,000 and then goes up from there depending on your lot selection, your structural options, and your design options. And they just released their new executive series of higher end homes. These homes are even larger and have enhanced luxury features that come standard, such as wood shelving in all the closets, upgraded trim, quartz countertop, as well as customization for the location of kitchen appliances. The new Brindlin floor plan features 4 bedrooms plus a separate den area, as well as a separate retreat space that could be used in many different ways. There are 3.5 baths, a 4-car garage, and it's over 3,200 square feet. The base price for the Brendolin floor plan starts in the mid $800,000 range and goes up from there. The new Crab Creek model is over 3,300 square feet in size and features 4 bedrooms as well as a separate den and an additional retreat area too. It has 3 to 4 bathrooms plus a half bath and a 3-car garage. This model will start in the upper 800,000s and go up depending on the lot you select, the structural options you select, as well as the design options. David Weekley has a number of beautiful preserve and lakeview lots in Palmera at Wellen Park. If you want to choose your lot and build from scratch, the current time frame to build is roughly 8 to 10 months. However, their best deals are going to be on quick move-in homes right now, because as a general rule, it will almost always cost more to build from scratch than to buy an inventory home that's already completed or near completion. David Weekley has a number of quick move-in homes that are ready now or will be ready here soon. Here is a list of available inventory homes right now. But remember, these homes can go off the market at any time. Just like the family I helped this week. They got a David Weekley home that's ready now, so they'll be closing in just a few short weeks. So if you're interested in any of these homes or want an updated list of what's available, please be sure to reach out to me directly for the most up-to-date information. You can call, text, or email me at any time. David Weekley currently has a Borelli available with a beautiful pool for $899,990. This is a very popular floor plan in Palmera. They also have a Wagner plan with a large extended lanai, also available now for $849,990. They have a Fishbeck that's currently under construction, priced at $751,730. And there's also a really beautiful Bonham floor plan that's currently under construction that is being offered at $894,990. So like every builder in Wellen Park, David Weekley does have incentives as well for quick move-ins and build from scratch options. Currently, what they are offering for their quick move-in is $40,000 in flex cash. Flex cash meaning we can take that $40,000, we can take it off the sales price, we can put that towards closing costs, we can move it around to how it's going to better benefit us in the long run. Incentives do change, and they do change often. So for current incentives, please feel free to reach out so we can give you the most up-to-date information out there. For more information about the Palmera at Wellen Park community and David Weekley Homes, or really any of the other builders out here in Palmera, please feel free to give me a call, text, or email anytime. I'm always in contact with their team, and I'm out here in person checking in on our current projects that are in progress and getting updated information for the families I'm helping here. You can always visit our Palmera at Wellen Park page on our website for more details about this community, the amenities, and all the builders' information. Lastly, don't forget to watch our David Weekley model tours here on YouTube. This is a great way to get a feel for their homes, the construction quality, and design options as if you are walking through them yourself. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos about Florida real estate and the lifestyle here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.